Hello, this is channel and my name is Robert, and this is a quick video about how much I make on Shutterstock. So I have almost 4,000 images. These are vector images mostly. And yesterday I made $1.77, and that is because of the new payment or earning structure for contributors. So I am at level 4 currently, and this is 30% royalties, and I get 10 cents for single download. This is, I don't know, this is ridiculous. 10 cents for single download. And with almost 4,000 images I make $2 a day. What? Let's check what was in 2016, how much I made. So I was making about 25 to 30 USD a day with about 1,500 images back in that year. And now with all the uploads I'm making this. So what I'm gonna do now, I will stop uploading to Shutterstock completely. I give it maybe 1 or 2 weeks. If this doesn't change, I will disable my portfolio on Shutterstock completely. And if you are thinking joining Shutterstock to make money, no, don't do it. Please don't do it. You're better off with Pond 5. For example, at Pond 5 you get 50% royalties for vector images, After Effects files. So that's way more, and you can set the price on Pond 5, so you can sell for how much you want. So that's it for this quick video from me. I was working with Shutterstock from 2007, so this is already 13 years with Shutterstock. And I am stopping. I am not doing this anymore. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.